Number 7 on 6.5. This question gives us 4 unknown variables. So with the 4 unknown, you need at least 4 equations to solve it. If you do this one by hand, that is very complicated. It will take a long time to solve it. So the easier way to approach this question, we use the matrices to solve it. And the idea is we create a number column matrix with a 4x4 because you have 4 unknown, right? You have So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you create a 4x4 matrices here by taking the coefficient number in front of each term. So the first equation, the left-hand side of your first equation, the coefficient number are 1, 3, 1, 3. So I write down 1, 3, 1, 3. The second equation, you have 1, 4, 1, 3. And make sure they come with the same order. So this is x term. The first term is a w, x, y, and z. If the order, they are different, you have to rearrange the order. The third equation has only x and y, so I put a 0 under the w. X, I fill in the 1, 1, and the 0 with z. The last equation has 1, 2, negative 1, and 2. So the first matrix here is a squared matrix. So 4x4. With the 4x4, I can find the inverse. Only the matrix can find the inverse is a square matrix. For example, 2x2. 2x2, there is a inverse of the matrix. If this is A, then you can find the inverse of the matrix. 3x3, you can find the inverse, which means the row and the column, they are the same number, then we go with the square matrix. So same column, same row, you can find the inverse. Now, in order to find these 4 unknown variables, the idea is by using the theorem, the inverse of the matrix multiplied with the matrix itself, it will go back to the identity matrix. And your inverse matrix always stay in the front. So the idea is, as long as I found the inverse of the matrix A, to multiply with the matrix itself, these two will reduce. And then on the right hand side of the equation, you multiply the inverse of that matrix as well. So that means the inverse of the matrix always stay in the front. It doesn't matter which side it is, it always stay in the front. Okay, so I put the inverse of A stay in the front here. So when you have the inverse of the matrix, multiply the matrix itself, it reduces. So this 2 is no longer here. And you need to write down the w, x, y, z. So the solution, after we using the calculate, those 4 numbers that will represent your 4 unknown. And the right hand side, you have the inverse of the matrix to multiply with the right hand side for solution. Now how do we do this one? By using the calculate. You need to create the 2 matrices. One matrix is 4x4. This one is your 4x4 matrix. Another matrix is 4x1. So I use the calculate to create a 4x4 matrix. So I have second matrix. You go to add it. You hit the enter key. The first matrix A, I create a 4x4. So I just input the number 4x4. 4x4. And then you just type in the number based on the left hand side matrix here you have. Then you create a second matrix. Alright. Move to edit. You create a matrix B. Use 4 by 1 because this is a matrix B. So this will be your matrix B. Here is your matrix A. So with the B, I have a 4 by 1. And I input a number on the right hand side here. -5, -2, 3, and -2. 3 and -3. And then you click on second quit. It will bring you back to the front page. Now you click on second matrix. Pull out your matrix A. The inverse key is right here. It's under the mask key. So click on inverse. Then multiply the matrix B. So click on second matrix. Go down to pull out your matrix B. Hit the enter key. And then enter one more time. The solution here, it will show you those 4 unknown variables. So W is equal 1, X is 3, Y is 0, and the Z is -5. So this is an easier way by using the inverse of the matrix to find the unknown variable,